What happens when vacuum pumps are left unchecked? A pump that seems to run smoothly can be overlooked, and a backup pump that sits idle for months is often forgotten. The challenge is consistency. Oil in an idle oil sealed pump still oxidizes slowly, forming deposits that can affect lubrication even before the pump is switched on again. Neglecting these small steps increases the chances of poor performance or unexpected servicing needs. Simple routines help avoid this. Rotate stored pumps, inspect oil levels, change oil at recommended intervals, and check filters regularly. An Edwards service plan also helps customers stay on schedule by providing structured support and timely maintenance. Check out the link in the description to explore our various service plans. You can also access step-by-step videos and blogs on how to maintain different vacuum pumps through our do-it-yourself webpage, making it easier to follow best practices and avoid unnecessary repair costs. With consistent habits, both running and stored pumps stay reliable and ready whenever needed.